Hello everyone, in this video we will install Ubuntu on VirtualBox. As last video I will show you how to download ISO file of Ubuntu, and in this video we will install on VirtualBox. So just click on file, click on new virtual machine. If you are a new user, go with typical, and custom for advanced. Let's just go with typical. Click on next and here select an ISO file. Now Ubuntu 64. Click on open. Click on next. Give it full name, username, yes, example, password, confirm password. Click on next. 64-bit. Now from here change the location. Drive. Make a new folder. Now click on next. Now here is the maximum disk size. If you want you can change it also, but it recommended at least you have to give 20 GB, and if you want you can increase or decrease it also according to your system. How much disk space you have, you can just provide it. And store disk in multiple file on it, let it be. Click on next. Now if you want you can customize your hardware also from here. Now it says recommended size is at least 1 GB. I suggest you to give at least 2 GB if you want to perform any task on that, at least 2 GB. Now click on close. Click on finish. Now you can see this is started. Just power on.